Okay Google, it's Chuck's here. I'm just doing a repair on a 5000 battery. Pull it apart, you have to take the plate off the bottom and you've got to cut it, and the other half's inside my box there. Then you've got to desolder these two lugs here, and yeah, we'll go ahead from that, and then we'll have to replace the batteries, and I've got a heap of batteries sitting in my pocket to replace them. So yeah, that's all you need, pretty much. Yeah, I don't know if anyone else does repairs for these. I might start doing a little bit of repairing for them. If you're looking for someone to fix your batteries, I live in Central Victoria, and there you go. That's how it sits. So you have a plate sitting across there, metal plate. I think I've gotten it out by now. It's not in there at the moment. My father-in-law might have taken it out. No, there it is. This sits on the bottom. You have to prise that off, and then you have to take the cover, this cover here, off, and the outer bit just clips off. So the plastic will clip off on that end and clip off on the other end, and then you can replace your batteries. If anyone's got any needs any help, please leave me a message. These are pretty standard batteries. There's the internals of your detector, and yeah, that's about it. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and please like. More to come. Thank you. Bye.